Hello, welcome back to Age and Flourish, where we talk everything about aging and lifestyle. Today, we are looking at another kind of fufu, which is zucchini fufu. We are going to use zucchini to do our swallow. So zucchini is a very important vegetable. It's very low in calories. It's very rich in antioxidants. Is also a very good source of vitamin C. It contains potassium, which means it is good for the blood pressure and for the heart. It has a high water content. Zucchini is about 95% water. And so when you eat zucchini, it keeps you hydrated and promotes feeling of fullness. It provides fiber. It is rich in fiber, and also it contains vitamin B, which include also folate that can also help even for pregnant women. The combination of fiber and potassium and antioxidant in zucchini helps to support heart health and reduce cholesterol level. It can also reduce your blood sugar, help you in controlling your blood sugar. So zucchini is very versatile. So when you blend your zucchini, pour it inside the pot, boil it a little while, then add your flour. I'm using oatmeal and flaxseed. That's what I use. Now I'm adding flaxseed. Flaxseed is also very good. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acid. It's high in fiber. It is loaded with lignans. And lignans is a compound that helps to reduce cancer risk. It can also lower your cholesterol. That is flaxseed. It supports heart health. It helps to reduce your blood sugar. It also provides protein. Flaxseed is a very good seed. So when you combine it and make your fufu, you will see that you will use just a little flour. The oatmeal I'm using is just a little. The other ones are just vegetable and that nut that is good to promote health. I want you to try it and see how it goes. Very good for salad. You can use it for any soup that you like. Thank you so much for watching and bye.